Hey guys, so this week we tried
Quilling.
Quilling is the art of rolling paper and shaping it to make designs. I had never heard of it up until a week ago, and it is now one of our favorite arts and crafts activities we have ever done. Here is a quick quilling tutorial for kids. So first you can do a homemade version by cutting old scrapbook or construction paper into thin strips and then rolling that with a thin toothpick or paintbrush. Or you can actually buy a quilling kit, who knew, that comes with pre-cut paper and a lot of other fun tools that you'll see us use today, so I'll make sure to link that below. Okay, so once my kids picked their color of paper, we slid that into this slotted quilling tool and rolled it into a tight coil.
I did it!
For younger kids, it actually really helps to have this plastic quilling coach. That's what they call it.
Go bigger.
Once that's done, you take off the coil and allow it to expand to your desired size, and then shape it with your fingers, or you can use a tweezer tool. Here we go, we're gonna pinch the corners. And by the way, circles and teardrops are the easiest to start with.
It's a raindrop!
Squares and hearts are a little more advanced. Woo! Add a dab of tacky glue to secure the shape, and then you can stick that to your paper. I like using something thick like cardstock.
Great job, Ford.
I was not surprised that Presley loved this.
Wait, I did it, Mama!
I love these gorgeous flowers that she made.
So pretty.
But Ford was the real surprise. He got so into the design.
Turtle!
A turtle.
Ford, this is gonna look so cool.
Coming up with all of the ideas himself.
Mommy, how about a cloud?
A cloud? And trust me, this is not normally his thing. How cute is this little picture? I have to say there's a little bit of a learning curve. They definitely needed my help.
I need help, Mommy.
Usually at the same time. The art of quilling with someone on your back. But overall, just an awesome, unique craft that we really couldn't get enough of. 2 hours later,
Still going.
still going. Ford doesn't want to stop making turtles. We found ourselves surfing the web for more quilling inspiration.
Wait, how about this? Look!
I don't know if Mom could do those. And have done many, many pictures since. In addition to wall-worthy pictures, these also make amazing homemade cards, and quilling is equally fun for adults to do. In fact, I found myself in a conference call in the office, like rolling paper. I'm like, wait, what am I doing? It is so therapeutic, maybe a little addictive.
I will quill forever!
So I hope that your kids and you give this a try. Thank you so much for watching, and happy quilling. Bye.